Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Um, Today we are going to learn one of the most commonly used punctuation marks in English. That's the comma. A comma may look small, but it plays a big role in making sentences clear, smooth, and easy to understand. So in this video we will learn when to use a comma, when not to use comma, common mistakes, some examples, and a quick quiz. So let's go ahead and begin. So, what's a punctuation or comma punctuation mark is used for? It is used to separate ideas, show pauses, small pauses, separate items, add clarity, and think of a comma like a small pause in a sentence, right? Let me take this example. After the meeting, we went for lunch. There's a natural pause after meeting, right? So let's break it down into simple rules. First rule, use a comma to separate items. For example, I bought apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. The trainer explained or taught grammar, pronunciation, writing, and vocabulary. You would use a comma after introductory words or phrases. So, example here would be yes, I will join the session. Yes is your introductory word. Now let's look at phrase. After the call, I updated the tracker. So after the call, you updated the tracker. Updated the tracker is the real message. But after the call is your introductory phrase. Another example, in the morning, we have training. In the morning, we have training. So we have training is the actual message, right? Now, third rule, you would use comma before a conjunction. Remember fanboys? I talked about it in one of my previous videos, right? So that stands for and, nor, but, or, yet. So, example, I wanted to attend a session, comma, but I was busy. So whenever you see fanboys, which is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so always use a comma, okay, to join two sentences. Now that has another rule wherein it depends whether both the sentences can stand by itself or not. Depending on that is where you would use comma. Not every time you have to, but this is one of the rules that you need to keep in mind. Another example, she worked hard, comma, so she cleared the exam. We can go now, comma, or we can wait for the others. Next, use a comma to separate non-essential information. Non-essential is nothing but extra information. So if you remove it, the sentence, let's say if you remove that non-essential information, your sentence would still make sense. For example, my laptop, which I bought last year, is not working. So if you just say my laptop is not working, sentence still makes sense. But you're adding unnecessary information or extra information here. My laptop that I bought last year isn't working. If you remove the middle part, the sentence still works, right? You would use a comma in direct address. So let's take an example here, especially when you're talking to someone. Ria, can you send the file? So Ria, comma, can you send the file? Please join the meeting, team. So you put the comma before team. Sir, comma, I have updated the tracker, right? So when you're addressing someone directly, you would use comma. Next, use a comma to separate adjectives of equal importance. Example, it was long and tiring day. Two adjectives here, long and tiring. She is smart, confident speaker. So she's smart, comma, confident, and then speaker. Two adjectives: she's smart and also she's confident. So you would use a comma in between. Use a comma for dates, numbers, and places. For example, March 1, 2008. So March 1, comma, 2008. Numbers 1000. So 1, comma, 000. 1, comma, 000. For place, Bangalore or Bangalore, space, comma, Karnataka. Dallas, comma, Texas. Right? So after the city. Next, let's talk about when not to use a comma, right? She likes ice cream. So if you put a comma between likes and ice cream, then it's incorrect, right? It's a direct sentence, declarative sentence, just one sentence. So you do not have to use comma. Don't separate the subject and verb using a comma. Example: my manager, comma, approved the request. The manager, right, is your subject. Your verb is approving the project. Approve the request or the project. So you not use a comma here. You will simply say, all right, my manager approved the request, or my manager approved project. Don't use a comma between two nouns, never. My friend, then comma, Raj is here, right? Friend, Raj, both are different types of commas, proper noun and common noun. Uh, let's talk about common mistakes that we make. We overuse commas a lot of time. Don't use commas every now and then. Your writing wouldn't look good, right? For example, um, I went to the market, comma, I met Raj, comma, blah, 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 comma, blah, blah, blah. No, not required. Use full stops. Don't have a run-on sentence, right? Not very long sentences. You end up making a lot of mistakes. Using commas instead of full stops. So make use of full stop as well when an idea is complete. Missing commas, not using commas at all. That's also something we usually do. So be careful when you write an email or anything, especially when you're writing something formal, right? So quick recap here. We learned that we use comma for a list, introductory words and phrases, non-essential information for fanboys, addressing someone directly, dates, numbers, and places. Okay. Then, quick quiz. See if you can answer these and put it in the comment section, right? Add the comma here. After the movie, we went home. After the movie, we went home. Use comma and put it in the comment section. Then next sentence, I bought pens, pencils, markers, and crayons. Okay. Your third sentence is, my trainer explained the topic very well, but I did not understand. Right? Go ahead and put your answers in the comment section. So this is all about your commas. It's very straightforward and simple, but you haven't understood. And if you want me to go in detail, even deeper, let me know in the comment section. I will do that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to also create videos on different other punctuations. So keep watching, like, comment, subscribe, and turn the bell notification as well. So whenever I upload a video, you get a notification right away. You are watching Learn Fluent English with Rajiv, and I'm Rajesh. I will see you in the next video.